Question 2 asks to solve this simultaneous equation. Let's do it together. So give it a try first and then watch the video. Right. If we look here, there is plus y and minus y. So the y's are equal, plus and minus, and it's the same number. If you have different signs, then you add. So that's what we do. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Plus y plus negative y cancels. 11 plus 9 is 20. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. 8 cancels the 8. So you will have x equal 20 divided by 8, which is 2.5. This is calculator allowed, so just plug this in your calculator. It's 2.5. Now, to find y, we substitute in any of these equations up there. I prefer the positive one, so I'll do 5x plus y equal 11. Always try to avoid the negative. Now substitute the value of x. It's going to be 5. Instead of x, we write the value of x, which is 2.5 plus y equals 11. Now, 5 times 2.5 is 12.5 plus y equals 11. To find y, do minus 12.5 on both sides. This cancels, and you have y equals 11 minus 12.5, which is minus 1.5. And that's, I think, is 3 marks question. How was it? Was this easy? All right, next question. Question 3.